Hello, hello, it's me again, and my buddy MCRUFF, here to record this video of something that's on NBC News that was aired on September 20th, 2011, and it was subject about all natural. I went to the store and I saw this here, all natural, and it has Omega on there. I'm Omega Man, but hey, that's not really why I brought it. But anyway, the question is about what is actually all natural. So let's take a minute and watch this segment on NBC.
We're back now tonight with a question that may have occurred to anybody who does the shopping. Why do so many labels, from cooking oil to cereal, promise all natural ingredients? And what does natural mean anyway? We asked NBC's Lee Cowan to see what it means, if anything, and whether paying for natural is worth the money.
For those of us struggling to stay healthy, we know that it takes just as much exercise as it does reading.
You have to look for the sticker and you have to read the ingredients.
While those all-natural labels probably make us feel better, even if they make our wallets feel worse, health experts say it isn't that label that we should be worried about. It's the fine print.
We have to be very savvy. We have to do some investigation on our own.
That's because all-natural can mean just about anything.
It is really a jungle out there.
The FDA doesn't offer any clear definitions either.
You know, in some cases, you need a panel of rabbis to determine whether it's natural or not natural.
The FDA says the all-natural phrase is accurate as long as there's no added color, artificial flavors, or synthetic substances. But what about something like high-fructose corn syrup, something that is commonly referred to as a natural sweetener? Now, the sugar companies would say it's not. In fact, they've taken it to court. Corn syrup companies disagree. Still, overall, there have been a host of lawsuits that have claimed that the use of the all-natural phrase is deceiving customers into paying more for something that really isn't there.
It's going to take a lot of private lawsuits or the government saying, hey, enough is enough. Here's a definition. Stick with it, or we're going to get your products off the market.
But in the last few years, there's just been more and more. The number of new all-natural products on store shelves has jumped nearly 70% since 2005.
You have to try to understand what they're not saying as much as what they are saying.
What it all means for health-conscious shoppers is you better eat your carrots and bring your reading glasses. And maybe your high school chemistry book, too. Lee Cowan, NBC News, Los Angeles.
One more thing here on the subject of food. There's a new fast food staple coming our way after years of fighting.